Cardboard shelf display assembly instructions. This display can be built by one person, but it's easier and faster with two people. Before you begin, here are a few tips. Keep an eye on the folds of the cardboard. It's best to pre-fold these areas before starting to assemble the display. Be sure to align the correct colors for each shelf to ensure a consistent design. Step 1. Pre-fold the cardboard. Before assembling, pre-fold all the areas where the cardboard will be folded. This will make the assembly process smoother and faster. Step 2. Build the bottom shelf. Fold the front flap upwards. Fold the side flaps over the front and back flaps to create the bottom shelf. Step 3. Attach the main display board. Place the main display board on top of the bottom shelf you built in Step 2. Fold the two side flaps inwards, securing the board in place. Step 4. Build the next shelf. Fold the sides and back of the shelf down. Slide the shelf into place by inserting it between the folded in side flaps of the main display from Step 3. Fold the side flaps from the main display over the shelf, then fold the front of the shelf backward over the side flaps to secure it. Important: watch for pinch points and avoid bending or tearing the cardboard. The stationary shelves will help keep this piece in place. Step 5. Build stationary shelf supports. Fold the front and back upwards to form the support structure. Fold the side flaps over the front and back and secure them in place. Repeat this process for the opposite side. Slide the stationary shelf support into place with the hollow side facing down. Step 6. Assemble remaining shelves. Repeat steps 4 and 5 for the remaining shelves. Step 7. Reinforce the back of the display. Tuck the blue cardboard flap into the back part of the shelves to reinforce the structure. By following these steps, your cardboard shelf display will be ready for use. Be sure to handle the cardboard gently to avoid any damage during assembly.